ever struggled to edit subgrade layers, materials, or codes that don't even appear in your section? Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to manage subgrade materials and create subgrade surfaces using civil site design. In this video, we'll walk through how to edit subgrade materials, handle hidden or new codes, and create a clean subgrade surface so you can work faster and see instant results in your model. So let's start. Make sure you're in the Roads tab, then click on Create/Edit section. This opens the editing template window. You can access the subgrade editor from the right panel by clicking Edit section, or simply right-click on the section and choose Edit section. A new window appears showing all the subgrade layers, their thicknesses and materials. Notice how when you hover the mouse over a layer, Civil Site Design highlights that layer in the window, making it easier to find and edit. You can adjust the thickness, change the material, or edit any parameter as needed. Once finished, click Apply or Apply and Exit, and your changes will be applied instantly. Now, what if you want to edit something that's not visible in your current section? When you click Edit Subgrade, Civil Site Design shows a list of all possible code pairs that can be used in the template, not just the ones that appear in your drawing. This means some codes may show up even if they don't physically exist yet in your section. You can still select any pair to create or edit the subgrade connection between them. For example, selecting LEB and RDUM opens the Edit Subgrade for Section window, where you can modify the layers for that specific pair. But what if we're working with new codes, such as LEMDL and RMEDR, which were just added for the new median? Since these codes don't exist yet, we'll click Set Subgrade. A window will pop up asking for the first code and second code. These define the range of the subgrade. In this example, we'll set the first code to RMEDR and the second to REB. When we confirm, the Edit Subgrade for Section window opens again, but this time it's empty, ready for us to assign values. Let's enter the thickness and material for each layer, then click Apply and Exit. If we open the cross-section viewer, we'll see the new subgrade layers appear immediately. Let's repeat the same process for the left side. First code LEB, second LEMDL, set the values, then Apply and Exit. Now, when we open Edit Subgrade again, all the new codes are listed and saved for future edits. By doing this, even if the codes weren't part of your original subgrade editor, you can define and reuse them anytime you need. Once all layers and codes are set, it's time to create the subgrade surface. There are two ways to do this. The first way is through Auto Model. Click Auto Model, then choose Auto Model Subgrade. Civil Site Design will ask whether you've checked the curb subgrades. You can access them through the Active Drawing button if needed. For this video, we'll click Yes. To modify the appearance, right-click the surface and choose Surface Manager. Here you can change the intervals, colors, or any display settings. Now, let's move to the Model Viewer. Click Toggle Display, then change the style to Master, and instantly the subgrade surface appears. It's a quick and easy method, perfect for getting an instant view. But if you need a more refined surface, there's another method: fine-tuning using the Subgrade Model Manager. From Auto Model, choose Subgrade Model Manager, then click Create Submodel. A window opens. Keep the settings as default for now, and Civil Site Design generates a detailed model with all your section data. To refine it, open Model Properties and enable Apply Boundary Retraction, setting the max triangle length to 15. This removes unnecessary triangles and cleans up the edges. You can also change how it looks, for example, from shaded to rendered, to visualize the section in full detail. If you notice an irregular area, select Break Line. The left panel will show the settings you can adjust. Once done, click Apply to Section, and the updates appear instantly in your drawing. Everything you've created updates dynamically as a CSD surface. You can even go to the Export tab to export it as a Civil 3D surface if needed. And here you have it. A complete workflow to edit, define, and refine your subgrade layers, materials, and surfaces all inside Civil Site Design. Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of Civil Site Design and try it yourself. Happy designing!